Hi, today I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So it's a very easy and quick tutorial, and it's so easy to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. First, if you go to your messages here, okay, and type the name of the person, you can see that the messages, or even if you message that a long time ago, you can see the word seen, okay? As you can see here, if I'm going to tap my friend's name, I can see the word seen here. But sometimes it doesn't mean that has blocked me. Another method is to go to his or her profile, and as you can see, there is nothing here. And whenever I try to follow, it always goes back to this. Okay? Follow, following, follow. So that's the second thing to do to know if someone has blocked you. Okay, third is that you can simply go to your story and try to mention the person. So it's so sad or very unfortunate if you try to mention that person on your story and you can't mention that person's name. So those are a few methods on how to know if someone has blocked you in Instagram. So if you want to ask them to unblock you, you need to use another account and message them because right now you can't message the person who has blocked you on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you and see you again in our next videos.